Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? What is this go-kart thing? Oh my gosh, a little truck, a F-150. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video, dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving out of the Murano. Moving up out of here. Look at all this junk we've accumulated. Look at this. One last check. Going to the body shop after this to get the truck. Can't wait. 74 days later. Enterprise, you've been great, but I am tired of this clapper. Tired of this junker. Let's get our junk out of the junker and head on down to Jackson's. Oh yeah, look at that rig right there. Beautiful. And look at this, folks. $0 balance. It is paid. It is right inside the door. Getting buffed, jacked in the gym here. Super stoked to see this bad boy, especially because they sent me a picture of it when the hood got done. The new paint on the hood looked absolutely incredible from the picture, so this thing's gonna look wicked awesome. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired here, long day at work, but we're gonna be out here shortly with the ride. Duramax back in action, just what we've been waiting for. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We finally got the Duramax back in our possession and it is rebuilt and ready to go. Let's turn around and check this bad boy out. I'm gonna clean it up real quick and then I'm gonna show you guys here in slow motion. But we did get back a little late last night from the body shop, but super happy with the way everything's lined up so far. Let's take a look through this truck, in and out, tell you how it drives, everything that we've gone through in the rebuild process. If you did not check it out already of what the heck we're even talking about, go back and watch the My Duramax Got Wrecked playlist on the channel and catch up to us. But otherwise, let's get to cleaning this bad boy out and let's check it out. Here we go. To do now is open up these new fog lights from Heartland LEDs. I ordered these aftermarket. I wanted to put these on myself. I've gone with these guys before. If you didn't watch the video where I talked about lighting, on the screen here, I'll show it to you. Check it out. These guys are absolutely awesome. We're gonna put these bad boys on yet again and be super bright. Light up the night. Here we go. I mean, you know they gotta be good when your lights come in a freaking iPhone case box. Look at that. Super sick. Already built in from halogen to LED with cooling fan, with everything already built in. Plug and play. These are going to be epic. All right, so that install went pretty easy. It wasn't too hard to slide them up in there. The hardest part was kind of maneuvering them because it's really a blind install and trying to get the tabs to line up and push them in with the fans and everything. They're super deep, so it did take a little extra effort, but we fought them in there, and they're super bright. They look absolutely incredible. I already did my rant. Heartland LEDs. But back to the truck here. It's freaking freezing. It's 20 degrees with 40-mile-an-hour winds, and it's 4 degrees outside, and I'm worried about the windsock not covering up the wind noise, so I'm going to talk in the garage. I'm sorry. You've seen the footage. You've seen the slow-mo, the cool action shots of the truck. It's beautiful, and it's back. That's what's super important. Absolutely turned out super sick. But this thing looks better than new. Look at that freaking hood. Oh, it's... Oh yeah, you already know the camera died right when I'm trying to say something. That's how it always goes, but it's charged up now. Check this out. Got the pit vibes back, the sunglasses. Much hated, much loved. Who are you? I love them. So anyways, we're back. Got the interior cleaned up nicely. We used some nice Renegade products, did a video on that too. In other news, a company did reach out to me for interior detailing products, wanted a sponsorship video or whatever. And I told them, yeah, you know, I'm down, whatever, I'll mention your product in the video. But then they hit me back saying they wanted a full-length video just on their products. So I'm like, you know what? I ain't really trying to do all that. I'll say something here and there, but I don't want to make these long, boring product review videos if you guys really ain't into it. Maybe if they're truck parts, but not cleaning stuff. There's only so much you can say. So anyways, interior cleaned up, back on the road. Hopefully you guys seen the exterior looking pretty. It's just so damn cold and we're racing around. It's hard to get this video puzzled together for you, but it is just nice to be back behind this wheel here, this bad boy. In terms of drivability, what do I remember? Well, it's been 74 days since I've driven this truck, and I have never driven it, obviously, since the wreck, so I don't know what all changed since the incident. But anyways, the frame must have got done super good because the thing is perfectly straight. I can tell as I'm driving. The steering wheel has never been more straight, which is great. It definitely needed an alignment before anyways, so I'm just not quite used to it driving in a straight line without me having to fight the wheel. So that's kind of nice. The death wobble is gone, so when you hit the brakes, it doesn't shake real bad. So very, very happy about that. The steering is a lot tighter than I remember too. Now, I wouldn't say it's hard to turn, but it definitely takes more effort. So I don't know if that's normal, if there's an issue with the power steering pump, or if it's just supposed to be that way. But it definitely used to be a lot looser, easier to turn. It's a lot harder now. But yeah, it's kind of weird. So I don't know what's quite going on there. I'll probably ask them about it, since it does got to go back in the shop because I do not have AC right now. The AC machine, something was messed up with it yesterday, so they couldn't charge it before I left the shop, but that's okay because it's freezing if you can't tell by the attire. So gonna have to go back anyway, get that filled in. I'll ask about the steering, and then also I definitely hear something squeaking in the back. It's something spinning, rotating. I don't know if it's something to do with the wheels, but I did stop and make sure they weren't heating up or anything or sticking. But there definitely seems to be a little hesitation when I'm on the throttle. Now, I don't know if it's just from driving the shit box for so long that I'm just not used to it accelerating the way it does. I know it's not just because it's a Duramax, it's slow. It definitely is taking more effort on the throttle, so I don't know what's up with that. Other than that, man, it's driving so good. It is just so nice. I'm not used to sitting up so high again and being king of the road, so probably gonna have to follow up on a couple of these mechanical things and yeah, get a second opinion. Otherwise, it's back to us. All right, let's pop open this brand new spanking hood. Let's look inside this beast. Look at her. What a champ. Brand new radiator, hard to see, but my golly, it's nice to have a new one. Super clean, hard to get in there. Man, this thing is right on. Brand new shiny logo, look at it, yes. It's been a long week, okay? My brain is straight mush. Who knows that feeling? I worked like 70 hours this week, and I've had very little family time, so I'm just trying to soak up the family time. The best part, that is what really matters in life. But I did want to update you guys on the truck, so bear with me as I'm forgetting pretty much everything to do with this truck. But yeah, I had to show you guys this too. What is the best thing that you could have to go along with your truck? The best mod with your truck is the freaking title. Look at that, guys. We paid it off. All that hard work, and now she is ours entirely. God, it feels good not to have a truck payment. We can literally do whatever we want with this thing now. Even though we were doing what we wanted anyway to it, but now we got the extra cash. Yes, who knows how hard work pays off. Let's get it. Look at all the good stuff coming out of there. But anyway, y'all, that can pretty much wrap up this video on the Duramax. It is just so nice to have it back. Finally, cleaned it up a little bit. Already got stuff in it again, but that's okay. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys have been sticking around with me, tuning into the channel, following us Unfluencers as we go through. Check out my wife Tori's channel on the way out. And guys, stay tuned because we got good stuff coming. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.